Hello everyone, welcome to Mirthful Diamond Art. Today we have the best video of every month. I really love doing these videos. It is June month in review, so we will see what I worked on, what I finished, how much I worked on, and some other stuff. So let's start with some math. I started one diamond painting and I finished it. I worked on 5 different kits for 144 hours and 22 minutes. Yes, I know, these are a lot for some, but I am a homebody. I don't have a group of friends here on the island to go out and do fun stuff. And I hate sitting on my butt all day, so without doing nothing. So diamond painting, when I'm not working, is what I do all day. Some chores on the house, maybe sometimes I have to go out. That's how I had a question in another video asking me how I do so much every month. Well, I have a lot of free time. The work is kind of doing itself. There are not many things every day to do that, so I have a lot of time to work on my favorite hobby. So yes, 144 hours and 22 minutes in total for the month of June. 100,800 drills placed, and I'm counting only the finished normal size canvas. I'm not counting the minis. I have a whip count of 12, 1 finish for the month, 9 finishes for this year, 31 finishes overall. As it goes for my goal for 2026, I have placed 561,447 drills. Wow, that is a tongue twister. Out of 1 million, that's my goal. So in 6 months, the middle of the year, I am pretty well on that. I have spent 779 hours and 46 minutes out of 1,000, oh my god, out of 1,000 hours. That is my goal for the year, so I'm very close to reach that, and I have only 9 out of 20 finishes, so I'm a little back on that, but I have several whips that are very close to finishing, so it shouldn't be an issue, but we will see. So let's get to the fun stuff. Okay, this is both a finish and a whip because I already finished the 5th of the 6 minis. I think last time I also had this half done. I'm not very sure, I'm sorry, but I finished this one, and I think I finished this month also this one. These 3 were from previous months, and I also started working on the last one, the very cutie patootie with a different background. I'm so glad it's not again white. So that's the one. My normal size canvas, too large because it's pretty large. Finish of the month is Athena. I have already, we have an unboxing on the channel. We have a finish video after I finished it and talk about it a little on the channel, so feel free to go watch them. But I just wanted to say that it is, oh god, I'm unprepared. I thought I was prepared, but I'm not. It is the 100,800 drills that I did this month, and it is 70 by 90 centimeters. And I'm already sweating, it's so hot here. We are literally boiling. So yes, very happy with this one, very happy with how it turned out. I have to seal it because of the background drills. They are so tight together, so when I roll it, they move. So I have to seal it. That's why I had a design that I really wanted to have it on full fairy dust, but if they don't loose up, make the grid a little more loose, it will be a problem to work on it, so I'm thinking about it, and I have to talk with the designer about it, but we will see. And let's go to the whips that I did work on this month. You have seen it over and over again, and we are officially hitting the 1 year mark since I have this beautiful one, but it is very confetti heavy, and even though I like confetti, I find myself unable to work on it for long periods, for many days. So I'm taking it slow because I don't want to hate it, because I love it, I really like it. And this month I did 2 large sections, which is actually half row. Down here I have 1.5 rows left, and if I work on a couple of sections a month or every couple of weeks, it should be finished soon. But as I said, I don't want to put myself and have it feel like a chore. So I work on it when I feel, and for as long as I feel like I should work on it. See, 60 by 70 centimeters or 50 by 70 centimeters, and has 80 colors. It's like of spring, I don't remember if I said. The next whip I worked a little this month is the Dance of the Cherry Blossoms in rounds. It is 60 by 80 centimeters, and it has 61 colors with a lot of specials, and I finished this month a full row. It was this row here, so I'm almost halfway done, pretty close to halfway. I work on it when I want, because most of my whips are square. When I want to work on a round one, I take this out for a few days. And the last whip that I worked on this month, until 5 minutes before I make this video, is the Merry Christmas by Alessandra Rossi. It is a Christmas kit, and I find it very refreshing to work on a wintry Christmassy kit when it is so hot outside, because it gives the impression that it's not that hot. It makes it a little easier. So this month, the last few days that I'm working on it, after I finished Athena, I did a very large section here on the bottom. It was including this bulb, so it was all that. And I also I reached halfway mark when I did this bottom section, so I did 2 rows on the top, and it goes pretty fast. It is this part had a lot of color blocking, so it went pretty fast, and it also has quite some confetti, but it was balancing it with all the color blocking, and I really like it, how it turns out. So my goals for July, I'm reserving the right to change my mind. I'm going to keep working on this one because I want to finish it, and as I announced in other videos, I am going to work on other companies too. So I have already kitted up and almost ready to go. I need to washi tape it. I have from Mystical Dream Diamonds the Floral Majesty, yes, by Sakura. It is 50 by 70 centimeters in squares. I fell in love with this one when I saw it and had to have it, and I chose a darker one. The horse is white, but the background is very dark because I'm making other whips, very colorful whips. So I thought it was better. I had something else in mind, changed my mind like 15 times before I decided to keep up this one and work on this one for the month of July. And maybe I will see, because it has quite a lot of confetti, I might do half in July and half in August. All rights reserved, as I said. I can change my mind at any minute, and yeah, that's my channel, that's my diamond painting, so I do what I want. What else? As I said, these are the main two I plan to work on for the month of July, and we will see how things go. I will touch base with you when it comes to whips on the mid-month whip parade. But yeah, I don't have, and also I want to finish the last of the mini chibis. Not many more things to say. Things are simple, things are quiet, it's very hot, but it's very windy and we can't go to the beach. So I am just demo painting and I'm not mad about it. I would like to go for soon, but we will see. So this was my monthly review for June, and I will talk to you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!